Rajdeep Dalal.
Welcome to the world of propaganda, featuring Rajdeep Sardesai. Well, there is a reason why many people use the word Dalal for Rajdeep. You see, in a tweet yesterday, Rajdeep went all praises for the Terminal 2 of Bengaluru Airport, calling how superb and futuristic it is. But the catch was when Rajdeep gave all the credit for it to the ruling Congress government instead. Hailing DK Shiv Kumar, Rajdeep stated how he is the true hero for Bengalurians, and that whoever can get Bengaluru right will be a true leader for the future. Rajdeep, what a googly you paid.
नहीं, this is Rajdeep's googly.
First, you deliberately did not give Prime Minister Modi and the centre its due credit for inaugurating this Terminal 2 of the Bengaluru airport. And then suddenly, you edited your tweet after getting fact-checked on social media. Hypocrisy की भी एक सीमा होती है सरदेसाई जी. Rajdeep, you have been peddling only convenient news for tickets. And is this how you follow the basic rules of ethical journalism? For your information, the Terminal 2 of Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, was inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi and has been built under a public-private partnership by a company named PIAL. So, get your facts corrected, Rajdeep. Why is it that you always refrain from giving centre government the due credit for doing infrastructural development in the country? When Bengaluru was suffering from acute water crisis, then you did not tag the Congress government of the state or call them out for pushing Bengalurians into such a sad state of affairs. Why were you not concerned about it back then, Rajdeep? Previously also, during the Maharashtra elections, we saw you water down the significant infrastructure development by Mahayuti in the state.
685 ड्रेनेज के लिए आया है
पर मैं देख तो नहीं रहा हूँ, रास्ते तो वैसे के वैसे, ये पैसा गया कहाँ?
आप पूछते हो कि पैसा गया कहाँ है? पैसा यहाँ गया है सरदेसाई जी, to remove travel congestion in the state, to reduce travel time distance in Maharashtra, which has also eased your travel experiences, as we can see from your tweets. But unfortunately, you won't ever give the credit for it to the Mahayuti in Maharashtra. You just believe in giving a long rope to your favorite party leaders. That's why when Delhi was facing with a huge infrastructural crisis, waterlogging became a menace in the state. Rajdeep, you did not even bother to tag the then ruling party AAP or Arvind Kejriwal for it. Well, of course, what more can we expect from someone who once started identifying himself as God Saraswat Brahmin, just when his name started making rounds as a probable candidate for Goa Assembly elections back in 2016. You and your TMC MP wife Sagarika Ghosh have been the flag bearers of journalism of convenience. We all remember how it was during the Karnataka Assembly elections that you so enthusiastically called Congress's free bus women rights scheme Siddaramaiah ki guarantee, and that it is empowering for women. But when Mahayuti did the same in Maharashtra, you started calling it Revdi politics.
Okay, पैसा फेंको, वोट लो. Revdi, Congress scheme. Revdi, 2,000 rupees to women. Revdi. Cut. Isn't all of this Revdi?
Your stand on matters changes as per convenience. No wonder how Padma Shri gets awarded to some people for their loyal service. But the times have changed. People are now more aware about how misleading narratives are fabricated and distributed in the mainstream by the likes of people like you. So, it is high time that you start practicing what you preach and follow the basic rules of ethical journalism before you are fully ousted from India Today for your biased agenda-based journalism. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Pamphlet.